A tutorial on how to create the dolly zoom effect in iMovie. So I started with a video of me slowly moving the camera towards the subject of the video. You can kind of see it smoothly moves in like that. What you'll then do is you'll want to stabilize it. We'll stabilize this just a bit. Give it a second to stabilize. Then you want to enable cropping, and you specifically want to choose Ken Burns. And so Ken Burns, you're going to want to start in the middle and end on the edges. So it should say start on the inside and end on the outside. And then you'll want to zoom in on the subject of your photo to start. So for example, zoom in right here. And then you should end at the edges of your video like that. So you should have the ending that's all the way out to the edges of the video. Then when you play the video, I'll go ahead and mute mine right now. When you play the video, it should scroll in towards the subject while the video is actually moving in. So that's with the crop. And this is without the crop, where it just kind of zooms in. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create the Ken Burns effect in iMovie. Good luck.